Hi friends, subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all latest notifications.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your Abhilash back. Today I'm gonna make an unboxing of Samsung earphone, which is EHS64, and which I bought it from Pi electronic store from Bangalore. And this one is from Indranagar, KFC signal. So I'm gonna make this unboxing, guys. So before unboxing, I request you guys to please subscribe my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and please do click on bell icon to get all latest notifications of my videos. And I hope you are getting some of like my videos are useful to you. So please suggest me to make a better video and a good video, and please give me your comments in the comment section. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video, if you think that if it is useful, and anything negative you can just negative or positive, please do comment. So I bought this headset today, wherein I use my Moto G5s Plus, and the headset which I got from Motorola was not pretty good. It was like normal cheap basic headset. So wherein I used to use same series white color headset. So wherein this headset had some issues, wherein I'm not able to hear the left earphone. So I thought to buy a new one, wherein I like this model, where it has like volume control and the skip or pause button. So let's make this unboxing, guys. So I'm gonna show you the price. So this costed me 449 rupees, and you can see the invoice. I didn't get any such discount, so I got it for the same price. And you can see the date and time. I bought it today. So let's open this box, guys. Let's make an unboxing of this. Okay, here comes the headset, and here comes the spare earbud. Let's keep this earbud apart, and here is the headset itself. Let's pull it out and see how it is. Okay, so here comes the headset, wherein this headset get tangled easily, but still I like this headset because the quality is good, and you don't get a better headset for this price compared to other brand headset. It costs you more like 1000 or 800, 900 rupees. So where this is the best headset in the my budget, where it's in 500. So 450, this will be the best headset. So where you can see over here, this is how the headset looks. This is a smaller one, and there are other two even smaller and bigger one. I think this is a medium one, and this is the mic over here, and this is the pause, call, answer, and skip button. This is the volume up, volume down. So yeah, this looks same. This is how it looks. Okay, and it has got gold plated over here, like they call it a gold plated or a copper plated, and it's time to use this headset. So wherein this is a pretty good cool one. So I'm gonna use this, and I just wanted to make an unboxing and show you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video was useful to you. If you like this video, please like give me a thumbs up. Okay, and anything you can just comment on the comment section. And this was the quick unboxing. Hope this video was useful to you to buy a new same series headset, guys. Thank you so much for watching.